Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, parking sensors, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. You are going to love the 2018 Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights. Come see the car for yourself.